Alright guys, welcome back. Today I want to show you guys what's inside of Duplex Receptacle. This one, I accidentally broke it at work, so instead of throwing it away, I figured I'll show you guys what's inside. So I brought it home. As you can tell, it's cracked right there at the top and the bottom, and basically on the other side it just came unglued. So anyways, you remove the cover, well, not the cover, but if you remove the faceplate, you can see the little plastic tamper resistant things in there, so that's keep kids safe. So kids stick a metal object in there, it won't go through and touch anything and electrocute them or shock them. So here are the screws. So this is what you connect your wires to in the box, and basically all that really does, it's just basically a little piece of metal that sits inside this plastic plug, and basically you have your incoming circuit, your incoming power, and your outgoing power. Or if you just have one wire, then it's your incoming. But if you have going to the next plug or anything like that in series, then you have a power in and a power out, and it's just a piece of metal that connects the two wires. So kind of didn't expect that, but anyways, good to know. I can't really put that back on camera. I'm watching through my phone. And then the same thing on the other side. It is just another piece of metal connecting your neutrals. And then for the ground, you have this called the yoke. So you have, this is all grounded all together. So the ground screw connects to the yoke, and then connects through there as well. So when you put the faceplate on or whatnot, it is also grounded, even though it doesn't really matter because it's usually plastic covers. But that's kind of the whole general idea right there. And then if I can put these back in real quick, I will show you one more thing. So once you put these back in here, so this is what it looks like when you put the plug in right there. When you plug something into the wall, you got one side on your neutral, one side on your hot. This is, yeah, that's the right side. So you got your hot on the right, neutral's on the left. So this is basically when you plug something into the wall right here through the 2 or 3 little spots. This is basically what it connects to. It just goes in there and touches or spreads the plug apart and makes contact right there. So that's where the magic happens. And then you got your little grounding spot right there and your grounding spot right there. So just thought it was cool. Make the best of a bad situation, but thought it was pretty cool. I want to share with you guys if you guys haven't seen what's inside. So neat stuff, and hopefully you guys enjoyed. That'll do it. Drop a like, subscribe, you know the rest. Check the description. All right, guys, God bless and awesome rest of the day. Peace out.